Your words shape your influence. Master these 5 subtle shifts to instantly elevate how you connect and succeed. These aren't just phrases, they're power moves for your professional journey. Instead of "you go first," say "after you." This simple change demonstrates respect and puts others at ease, fostering collaboration. Instead of "tell me," say "I'm listening." This conveys genuine engagement and open-mindedness, making others feel truly heard. Instead of "you're welcome," say "my pleasure." This expresses gratitude and a willingness to help, building stronger rapport. Instead of "I don't know," say "I'll find out." This shows initiative and problem-solving skills, enhancing your credibility. And never say "I'll try." Instead, say "I'll make sure it gets done." This powerful declaration projects confidence and assures reliability. Adopt these phrases. Watch your communication soar and your career prospects expand. You have the power to transform every interaction.